Good morning. Welcome back to Resourceful Living Homestead. We're going to take a drive, and it's a place that's not too far from our house, is the only reason why I want to do this. The lake is so far down right now, a lot of people have never seen where the Monte Ne Amphitheater is. And 𝐃𝐈𝐒𝐂𝐋𝐀𝐈𝐌𝐄𝐑, the man that built this resort, is what it was back, I think, in the 20s. It's been a long time ago, but when Beaver Lake flooded, they flooded that whole town, Monte Ne. So the amphitheater and the pyramids they call and all that stuff is under Beaver Lake. But from what I understand right now, it's low enough we should be able to see it. Years and years and years ago, the old lodge used to stand right there. Some of the best chicken and white bean soup you'll ever eat. Boy, it is low. Goodness. We should be able to see some structure. Some of it right here, it looks like they've came in and destroyed. Took this out. Yeah, this used to have rooms in here. But normally this is all underwater. And there't all kinds of the Monte Ne structure out here. But they came in here and jackhammered this out. This looks more of the ruins. Deep as that is, that's part of the foundation or something. Some more of it over here. Now, we're going to drive over there and take a look, but you can see from here, off of this point, right at the very end of it, I think that's where the amphitheater is. A little bit more of the structure. You can see that one over there. The foundation of the motel, motel, whatever it was, that stood here. It was 3 stories. That's the chimney. It was a pretty good sized structure. When I was a teenager, we used to come here and climb all through this thing. They tore it down due to hazard. A lot of stupid people doing stupid stuff. There, from the motel, hotel, I guess it'd been a hotel back then, is some of the amphitheater, I believe. Well, no, this might have been part of it. There is a lot of this out there. It's down pretty low. You can see how it circles around. This might have been part of one of the amphitheaters that's starting to come up out of the water. We are low. It's been a while. Some more of the structure along the bank there. It's an interesting read if you pull it up on the internet and read about what Harvey was doing. Yeah, you can see that's part of the structure going out. This is part of the amphitheater right here. And a lot of it's out there. There's pyramids. They call them the Monte Ne pyramids. Never seen it get that low. Fished these waters a lot too. For many, many, many years. See, they even call this road Pyramid Drive. Now I'm up here where I said I was going to drive around to, and you can see across, there's foundations over there and over there. So all this had a city out here until they flooded this lake. Of this little town of Monte Ne. Some more of the old foundations. You got to think, this concrete is almost from the 1800s. We're talking, I got to look it up. I can't remember if it was 1902 or 1922, but it's old. Coming up on another part of the structure that I was pointing at from over there where the motel is. Get my hand out of there. Some of this old city's starting to see light again. Here and fall in the water. But I'm gonna see if you can see where some of the structure heads out into the lake. And that wall that comes over here and joins. Let's see how good my balancing skills are. With a toe I broke, it's still healing. Oh yeah, that wall went out that direction. There's probably no telling what's underneath this rock crevice that nobody's ever seen, because I don't think it's ever got that low. But this is the upper end of Monte Ne Cove. There's that structure I was pointing at from over here. But interesting. Look up the history. Harvey Coyne, he actually ran for president. Well, I hope you enjoyed it. And until next time.